Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we will discuss a very important basic practical thing related with the heart physiology. Basically today we will do basics of recording of electrocardiogram, ECG basics. ECG recording and its basics means basic points we will discuss. I think everyone among you is familiar with when the patient or individual go for the checkup, assessment, go to clinic of doctor, especially cardiologist. Routinely they perform an important diagnostic tool test known as recording of electrocardiogram. Clear? Okay, they put some electrode over the chest and record a graph from a machine. That graph is called generally ECG. Clear? That graph is called ECG. ECG is short form of electrocardiogram. Clear? We will do separately how that machine work, what is that thing. Now today we will do the basic thing related with this. Now when you see that paper graph, that give us important information related with the heart, its function, rate, rhythm, different thing. Clear? Now when we see that strip of that paper, we see different things written over that. These are called as recording of different leads. Clear? What that is called? Called recording of different leads. Now how many leads? When we see over that paper, we see that type of picture as V1 written, V2 written, V3 written, V4 written, V5 written, V6 written, these type of thing written, and with each writing there is a graph, ECG paper continue running. Now that is what? These are different leads. Some are called as lead recorded from the chest, some are called lead recorded from the limbs. So the chest lead generally in that graph paper is called as from V1 to V6. These are called as 6 chest leads. How many? 6 chest leads of ECG. Clear? Everyone show its reading and that have its own importance. Clear? And also along with that we also see some these type of reading like AVR, AVL, AVF and 1, 2 and 3. These are also leads, but these leads are recorded on that paper from a person through different electrode which we put over their limbs. So according to this is called as these are limb lead recordings. Clear? Limb lead recording. This we should know. Now we will come into detail what is that, how record this, why we put these electrodes. Now basically human heart is present in the almost center of the chest. Clear? Okay, that is here. Now first we will do ECG is what it show. Basically electro, as its name indicate, electro, cardio means this is somewhat electrical activity of heart. Basically ECG, how we will define? We will define ECG as electrical activity of the heart, recording of electrical activity of the heart, graph form of electrical activity of the heart. Which type of electrical activity? We know that human heart is operated through its own current. Everyone know that current is not seen as generated. That current is the own current of the heart generated through SA node. Remember, this is generated through SA node, sinoatrial node. Now sinoatrial nodes generate a special current. Clear? Sinoatrial node generate a current. That current is transmitted to the surface of chest. Clear? What happen? That current is generated to the surface of the heart, come in the heart, contract the heart. That current also transmitted go to the surface of the chest, and we put electrode over the surface of chest and limb, and that electrical activity is recorded in the form of graph. That graph is called electrocardiograph or ECG. Clear this concept? So we have to put different electrodes. Some electrode we put over limb, some over chest to record this reading. Now first we will see how we record this chest 6 lead recording. Clear? Then we will go towards the limb lead. For that purpose I will show where we have to put that chest leads. Clear? Chest electrodes that will give reading of these 6 lead. Clear? Now so we will record this consider as sternum, its body is xiphoid process, that will be clavicle. Clear? So then below clavicle second intercostal space, then third, then fourth, then fifth, again on the other side also. Clear? Then this is whole chest, clavicle goes up to this. Now for recording of these chest leads, we have to put 6 different electrode over the chest of a person. Before that we have to clean that area, put a special electrolyte jelly over that, then we put electrode, and when machine runs, that different chest electrode give these tracings, these readings. Clear? Now what are these? There we have to put 6 electrode over the chest. Remember its position, where we have to put them. When we see the machine, I will show you again in a next video, separate video. In that machine we will see that thing, but theoretically we will do that case. 6 lead, these are labeled on the machine as C1. V1 is its recording over the graph. Now we have to put first in the now what is this space below the clavicle on both sides? That is second intercostal space. Clear? First chest electrode we will put over the right second intercostal space. This is called C1. Clear? This is the right side, right second intercostal space. On the left side, same distance from left sternal border, we have to put C2, second chest electrode. Clear? Second thing. Third, another important thing. Now this is second intercostal space, third intercostal space, fourth intercostal space, fifth intercostal space. In fifth intercostal space, if we go laterally in that midpoint of clavicle known as mid-clavicular line, we will put another chest electrode, C1, C2, not C3, we will put C4 here. Clear? In that fifth intercostal space, left side in mid-clavicular line. Remember these positions. Now what we have missed? C3. So we will put C3 in between C2 and C4 in the center. This will be called as C3. Clear? So we have put 4 chest electrode, 2 remaining. Which one? C5 and C6. We will put C5, this is axilla, so there will be one anterior axillary line, mid axillary line, posterior axillary line. In same this intercostal space, we will put C5 in anterior axillary line, C6 in mid axillary line. Clear? So nothing else. This is just putting these electrode. When we will put these and when machine will run, they will give this reading of chest. Clear? Now when this is recorded, actually the machine when generate this tracing, this recording from these lead, it use single pole. So these all leads are also called as unipolar, as from chest, so called as unipolar chest leads. Clear this? Our chest leads ends. Now we will come to limb leads. How we will record from them? This is also simple, very simple. We have to put different electrode for the limbs, as we have 4 limbs. Which one? This is right arm, that will be left arm, that one is right leg, this is left leg. And our electrode, limb electrode, have different colors. When we will see through a machine, there are different color limb electrodes. For the limb, we have a red color electrode, black color electrode, green color electrode, and yellow color electrode. Clear? Now, right leg, basically here we have to put neutral black color electrode. We will put at right leg. This is neutral electrode. This is a wire. At its tip, the color is black. We have to put its electrode in the right leg. This will neutralize the current and will help us to record these leads, these limb leads. Clear? So this is just to counter that current. Black neutral electrode. Now other are these colors. Red we have to put in the right arm here, red electrode. Green here in the left leg, yellow here in the left arm. When we will put these electrode in these limbs and the electrode over the chest, so from all these points our machine will generate 12 lead ECG, 12 lead recording. Clear? Now chest lead from 6 electrode and from these 3. This is not inactive neutral. So from this 1, 2, 3, from these 3 points of attachment on the limbs, machine will generate these 6 reading over that graph. Clear that? Now first it will generate AVR, AVL, AVF. What are these? So for generation of AVL, basically machine consider right arm as positive, so that is why this is called as AVR. R for right arm positive. Clear? This AVR. For generation of AVL, machine consider left arm as positive, AVL, so it is recorded. And in the same way, for recording AVF, left leg is positive, so AVF is recorded. Very simple. So these 3 are recorded from the machine. Machine consider single limbs as positive. This as positive, this positive for AVF, this positive for AVF, this positive for AVL. So in these 3, machine basically use one pole, so these are also unipolar limb lead. What? Unipolar lead, because one pole is used for AVR, single pole is used for AVL, single pole is used for AVF. Clear? These are also unipolar. So 6 unipolar chest lead, 3 unipolar limb lead, total 9 unipolar lead. What about 1, 2, 3? These are very important to understand. Machine, after recording, this machine will give the reading of 1, 2, 3. How it will give the reading of lead 1, lead 2? Consider as heart here in the center, somewhat on the left side. For the lead 1, what machine do? Lead 1 machine do. For the recording of lead 1, machine consider right arm as negative, left arm as positive, then lead 1 is recorded. When lead 3 is recorded, machine consider this left arm as negative and left foot as positive. So it record that type of lead, give reading on that graph, and one lead remaining, that is lead 3, will go in that direction. This will be negative, means right arm, left foot will be positive. So lead 1, lead 3, lead 2. Their direction will be same as I drawn. Their angle will be same as I drawn. Angle for lead 1, 0 degree. Angle for lead 3, 90 degree. Angle for lead 2, 60 degree. What they will form around the heart? See, they are forming a triangle around the heart. That triangle is called as Enthovian's triangle. Which type of triangle they are forming? This is special triangle known as Enthovian's triangle. Clear? Simple, very simple. Enthovian's triangle. This also say one law, mathematical, I will show you. Lead 2 is equal to lead 1 plus lead 3. This is drawn from this triangle, so this is also called as Enthovian's law. Clear? So in this way machine give these reading. Now these 1, 2, 3, Roman letter 1, 2, 3, for recording of them machine have generated from our limb attachments to poles. For lead 1 separate negative positive pole, for 3 negative positive, for 2 negative positive. So these 3 leads as 2 poles are used, known as bipolar leads. What? Bipolar lead. So what in ECG? How many leads? 12. How many? Bipolar lead 3. 1, 2, 3. How many unipolar lead? Total 9. 6 chest and 3 limb. Which are 3 limb unipolar leads? AVR, AVL, AVF. Clear that? So this is basic thing related with the representation of these. Now one important thing you have to understand, कि when we take the mean vector axis of heart, its value, bookish value is 59 degree. Clear? And angle of our lead 2 is 60 degree. So this is near to mean cardiac axis. So lead 2 is generally called among them, among all these 12, as representative lead. Clear? So that you have to understand. And all these leading, they will give typical tracing of ECG with some differences. Now what ECG show? This is important. From these attachment we record a graph of the electrical activity of heart, of the current generated by SA node, then that current transfer into whole heart, heart contract. That information is captured in the form of graph in this graph. Now ECG will give us information about how rapidly heart is beating, means rate, heart rhythm, heart volume. So all these things, they will be gathered by this ECG. And also certain diseases like which disease? Very importantly, myocardial infarction, known as heart attack, that is diagnosed by ECG. If some chamber of the heart enlarges, that is diagnosed with the ECG. If bradycardia, decreased heart rate, tachycardia, increased heart rate, abnormal rhythm, atrial fibrillation, ventricular fibrillation, ventricular tachycardia, these things, all these arrhythmia can be diagnosed by ECG. Clear? So multiple information is gathered in the ECG. This is basic thing how we record that. So if you understand that, it will be easy for you to interpret the ECG. ठीक है, तो आज हमने आपको बुनियादी चीज़ें बताई कि इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम जिसको हम कहते हैं, जो आम हम कहते हैं कि भाई मैंने ECG की, मरीज़ कहता है, वो ECG क्या होती है? एक पेपर होता है जिसके ऊपर ग्राफिकल फॉर्म में रिकॉर्डेड होती है हमारी हार्ट की एक्टिविटी। हार्ट की एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट कहाँ से होती है? हार्ट के अंदर ऐसे नोड होता है, वहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है, फिर पूरे हार्ट में फैल जाती है, वही हमारे सरफेस ऑफ बॉडी पे आती है, जहाँ से हम मशीन के कुछ इलेक्ट्रोड अटैच करते हैं बॉडी पे, जो उसको कैप्चर करके रिकॉर्डेड फॉर्म में देती। अब वो जो हमारे पास रिकॉर्डिंग होती है, अगर हम दिल की उस पट्टी को देखें, उसके ऊपर ये लिखा होता है V1 से V6, AVR, AVL, AVF 1, 2, 3। अब ये क्या है? ये बेसिकली लीड्स हैं। 6 इनमें चेस्ट लीड हैं, 6 लिम्ब लीड हैं। चेस्ट लीड हम कैसे रिकॉर्ड करते हैं कि हम इलेक्ट्रोड पहला इलेक्ट्रोड राइट सेकंड इंटरकोस्टल स्पेस, दूसरा लेफ्ट सेकंड इंटरकोस्टल स्पेस, चौथा जो है वो मिड क्लेविकुलर लाइन में 5th इंटरकोस्टल स्पेस लेफ्ट साइड पे, तीसरा सेकंड और फोर्थ के बीच में लगाते हैं, पांचवा एंटीरियर एक्सिलरी लाइन, छठा मिड एक्सिलरी लाइन, इन पे पुट कर देते हैं, जो फिर हमें चेस्ट लीड की रिकॉर्डिंग देता है। कुछ हम लिम्ब पे भी इलेक्ट्रोड लगाते हैं, चारों लिम्ब पे, राइट आर्म, लेफ्ट आर्म, राइट लेग, लेफ्ट लेग। राइट लेग पे जो है वो है हमारा न्यूट्रल इलेक्ट्रोड, इसलिए राइट आर्म, लेफ्ट फुट, ये 3 फंक्शनल इलेक्ट्रोड हैं, जिनमें से हार्ट, वो मशीन जिससे ये लीडें आई हैं, वो ये रीडिंग देगी 6 इलेक्ट्रोड की, 6 चेस्ट लीड्स की। तो उस रिकॉर्डिंग में 3 जो हैं वो, जिसमें एक है AVR जिसमें राइट आर्म ही पॉजिटिव होता है, उस पर रिकॉर्डिंग आती है, इसलिए उसको यूनिपोलर कहते हैं। इस तरह लेफ्ट आर्म पॉजिटिव हो तो ये यूनिपोलर लिम्ब लीड AVL है। अगर लेफ्ट फुट कंसीडर कर रहा है मशीन पॉजिटिव और उस वक्त एक लीड जनरेट कर रहा है तो हम कहते हैं AVF। ये तीनों लीड यूनिपोलर लिम्ब लीड कहलाती। कुछ 1, 2, 3 जिसमें 1 है कि राइट आर्म नेगेटिव और लेफ्ट आर्म पॉजिटिव, ऐसी एक लीड की इस डायरेक्शन में रिकॉर्ड करे मशीन। दूसरी लीड 3 है कि ये नेगेटिव वो नीचे पॉजिटिव, वो नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव करंट जाए, हमेशा करंट जाएगा नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव की तरफ। और लीड 3 हो राइट आर्म नेगेटिव हो लेफ्ट फुट पॉजिटिव हो तो नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव की तरफ ऐसे एक लीड जाए, वेक्टर जाए। वेक्टर है लीड की रिप्रेजेंटेशन उसकी डायरेक्शन की। तो इससे हमें क्या होगा, जो 3 बाइपोलर लिम्ब लीड मिलेंगे, अगर उनकी एक्चुअल डायरेक्शन पे हम उनका एक वेक्टर बनाएं तो वो एक ट्राइंगल बना देंगे हटकर, उसको कहते हैं एंथोवियंस ट्राइंगल। और वो डिपेंड करता है एंथोवियंस लॉ पे कि लीड 2 बड़ी है जो कि 1 और 3 की कॉम्बिनेशन से मिलती। तो ये बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन है। उम्मीद है इसके बाद आपको ECG की कुछ चीज़ों में समझने में बेहतरी होगी। ठीक, थैंक यू सो मच।